up, traders? Welcome back to Trading with Denise. I know I've been MIA for a while, and I got a little overwhelmed there for a bit between college and stocks, and making YouTube videos is quite time consuming, and I have two small children, so it's really hard to manage everything all in one day, all at once. So I decided to take a little bit of time off from the YouTube, and then I decided I wanted to take time off of stocks completely for about a month. It kind of kicked me in the butt a little bit because I did have to take a couple of losses. No biggie though, we're back at it and we're doing awesome now. I should say I'm doing awesome because there's no we here, it's just me. But anyways, yeah, as you can see, I started decorating my office. Look at this, I got these brick wall stickers that are gonna make it look super city-like in here. I'm excited about it. So anyways, I made $2,668 today, and I couldn't wait to make a video, even though it's taken me all day to kind of piece it together. So you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you in the voiceover recording that I recorded it like hours ago, but it's so hard for me to be able to make these videos just recording wise, because in the middle of me trying to make a video, my kid's like, "Mommy, I need this. Mommy, I'm hungry for that." You know, so I have to stop, and it takes me all day to make one video. So anyways, bear with me, guys. I will be making more videos now from here on out, and I am super excited to talk about my day-to-day. I have been day trading a lot more than swing trading. I haven't really been holding stocks anymore. I am still holding SENS in one account. I took a loss on it in another account during the correction. However, I've been swing trading it and day trading it ever since. So, and I'm holding about, I think I have like 1,900 shares, maybe a little over 1,900 shares left that I am still holding onto, waiting for that FDA approval that we're waiting for, which they're saying that it's going to be coming sometime in the third quarter. So we're now here. It could be any day now. So, which is why you see the stock price moving up. So anyways, we're going to get to it. Before we do, please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get all of my videos as soon as they're uploaded. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting with SENS, I actually bought this one yesterday to swing trade for today. I saw that it was on an uptrend, and I decided to scoop up some shares at $3.75. I sold them today at $4.07. Now, I know that this is probably going to continue trading up higher. There were rumors that it was going to happen in the third quarter of the year, which we're in now, so it could be happening any day now. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, so that was a good win for me today. And the next one we're going to be talking about is NURO. Now this one I bought around $15 a share, and I sold it at 18. This is the second time that it's going to 18. It actually went beyond 18. I could have held on to it and sold it a little above 18. I don't know why it's actually not showing up on here, which is really weird. Let me try to go to the 15-minute chart so it's a little bit more clear to read for everybody now. Okay, so you can see here, it actually went over 19. So I could have made more money on this, but I did make, I believe, let me see here, $300 on that trade. So that was a win for me. I was happy with that. And then the next one we're going to talk about is the big winner of the day, and that is SPRT. So this one I saw Twitter pumping it this morning, saying that it was going to go to $40 per share. So I decided to put it on my Instagram this morning, I believe around $31 a share. Let me take a look here. Yep, $31.72. And then so I scooped some up this morning. I actually day traded this one 4 times today. So I kept buying lots of like 50 shares at a time, just because I'm still fairly new. I mean, I've been doing this for over a year, but that's really still fairly new to day trading. So I wanted to make sure that I didn't take too large of size and end up losing a lot more than I gained today. So, but it worked out well. Not even an hour later, I also posted on my Instagram that it was up to $55 a share. And hopefully somebody saw that this morning and was able to take advantage of that. I continued to day trade this all the way through until it was, actually, let me get this on the pre-market setting so you guys can see the
show the extended hours. This is Fidelity Active Trader Pro, by the way, if you're not familiar with it. This is what I use to day trade with. I love this. I think it's great. I know there's a lot of other ones that people like, but I prefer Fidelity over some of the other platforms. So as you can see, it was trading pretty high right here in the pre-market, and that's when it started pumping early this morning. So and mind you, I've actually traded this stock several times this week. It's continuously went up for the last, I want to say, the last 3 days or so. But see, at open you can see it kind of like took a little dip here, which I knew it would happen. So when it came down to about $36, right around in this range right here, $36, I bought more. I bought 100 shares, right? So I bought 100 shares, and that cost me $3,600. So I used $3,600 for a $900 gain. So I did buy this one at $36. I sold it at $45. So I bought it right around this range right here, and then I sold it when it got to about, I believe, it was on this uptrend right here. Now, one thing I do a lot is sell too soon, but I would prefer to sell too early and take my profit than hold on to something that may tank. And when something has this much volume, I mean, they had a ton of volume today. This is, I mean, look at this. This is all the volume right here. But yeah, like tons of volume today. So it's very volatile. It's very it easily could drop down like $5 to $10 in a matter of minutes. So you don't really want to take any chances on that one. But as you can see, it did continue up to, I believe it actually went over $59 a share today. I don't think it's showing here, but it definitely did, because I definitely saw it hit 58 and change, and I believe it went to 59. So so I could have held on to this one and made a lot more money, but I'm happy with this. I mean, altogether on this stock alone today, I made, let's see, I got 4, 12, yeah, $2,100 on this stock alone today. So I did very well. This stock is amazing. I'm psyched. This is probably one of my better trading days that I've had since I started trading. I felt like every entry just worked out very well for me, which is extremely important when you're trading. So yeah. So anyways, this one, I don't think it's going to go up any higher. So I'm kind of staying away from it now at this point. I mean, we're at, what time is it? Almost 2:30 in the afternoon. It's possible that by the end of the day, it could have another spike up, because it has dropped down quite a bit from where it peaked today. So there is a chance that it could do that, but I'm not going to take that chance. I'm going to take my wins today. I made a total of $2,668 and change today. So I'm going to take that win, and I'm going to stop trading for the day. And I'm going to spend the rest of the day with my kids. So I hope everybody out there was able to make some money. Would you look at that? So I guess I was right about SPRT. I decided to stick this in the video later in the day when I was putting it together. And as you can see here, it looks like it did have a little bit more of a spike. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like it tried to spike up again, and it kind of hovered in the 50 range, and then it just tanked like I thought it would. And now it's back trading around $29 a share. Now, who knows? This could gap up on Monday morning because it tanked down so much from where it peaked today. And I really, honestly, I can't tell what the stock should be worth. To be quite honest with you, I do know there's a lot of hype surrounding it. So depending on the day of the week, if people are hyping the stock up, definitely jump in and make some money. So that's all I have for you guys. I appreciate you guys tuning into the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Again, if you haven't liked the video, please do, and hit that subscribe and notification bell to stay up to date on all of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a great day, and happy trading.